Good morning, class. Good
Good
morning.
morning, teacher.
Okay, what day is today? What day is today?
Good morning.
Today is Tuesday.
Today is
It's
Tuesday.
April.
Is Tuesday.
It's April the
6th
6th.
April
The 6th. Thank you.
2021.
Thank you. Would you please open your workbook to page 93? The first question is
I've opened it.
write the unit used to measure each. You can use inch, foot, or feet, or yards. Okay? Now the length of a crayon, we use inch. The height of a ladder. The height of a ladder. What do we use to measure the height of a ladder?
Yard.
It's not that long, يعني it's just a ladder. I'll tell you something. We use yards to measure roads, streets, football, schoolyard, for example. Okay, or like a city block, like something really, really, really long or high. So to measure a ladder, we use feet. Okay, we use feet. Now the length of a toothbrush, just a simple toothbrush. What do we use? We use inch to measure the length of a toothbrush. Now what about the length of your arm? The length of your arm. We use feet. Thank you. Now the length of a city block. The length of a city block.
It's about the city block. Why, dear?
يعني you want to measure the city, the whole city. What do you use? Do you use inch?
YD.
YD, which is yard. YD, which is yard. We say yard. We don't say YD. Okay, Abdullah, the city block is the whole city. You want to measure the length of the city. Okay, or we have now the length of a schoolyard. The length of a schoolyard, we use actually yard. The height of your kitchen. Your kitchen. Feet, yeah. And the length of a hallway. Yard. Thank you. I hear no one but Firas and Muhammad. Yalla, all of you participate with me. The length of a finger. A finger.
FT.
Inch. We use inch. Now, write the letter of the best estimate. Okay? The width of a windshield. Windshield. Is it 5 feet, 5 yards, or 5 inches? What do you think?
Yeah. 5 feet.
Yeah, it's about 5 feet. You know the glass that covers the car from the, يعني, let's say the beginning of the car, okay? The face of the car. This glass is the windshield, okay? Do you use, is it about 5 feet or 5 yards or just 5 inches? What do you think? 5 feet. The width of your math book. The width of your math book. What do you think?
8 inches. 8 inch.
Thank you. 8 inches. It's about 8 inches. The length of your finger. The length of your finger.
2
Yeah.
2
It's what? It's 2 inches. 2 inches. Now the height of a grandfather clock. The height of a grandfather clock.
6 feet.
Yeah, 6 feet.
6.
Because it's what? Yani, it's not too short and it's not too long or too high. So that's why we say it's just about 6 feet. Now the height of a bench. The height of a bench.
2 inches.
Okay, 2
What?
inches.
2 feet.
Do you know what is a bench? You know the
What? It's like a chair, but it's outside. You sit.
yes, yes. So could it be 2 inch? Is it for your little Barbie? Is it for your little
Chair
Barbie?
in a garden.
Yeah, it's like a chair in the garden.
No.
Can it be 2 inches? No, it's 2 feet.
No.
Okay, now let's go to these questions 16 to 21. You have to compare, and I told you each time we do compare, we do what? Each time we do compare, we write greater than, less than, or equal. Okay, we write greater than, less than, or equal.
Teacher,
Yes, miss.
I've do the whole page. I've do the whole
طيب
page.
miss, please إنه focus with me. يعني
mean.
here we have to do what? We have to participate, interact together. طيب.
Okay.
Now let's do question number 16. We have 5 yards. We need to compare 5 yards with 5 feet. So we say 5 yards is greater than 5 feet. Okay,
Yeah.
5 yards is greater than 5 feet. Now 7 inches is less than. انتبهوا لي, we have to know how to read the whole sentence. 5 inches is less than 3. 7 inches is less than 3 feet. Now Firas, answer question number 18.
Okay. 50 inch is greater than 3 feet.
Okay, 3 feet is less than. But you can read it from left to right. You can say 3 feet is less than 50
3
inches.
feet. 3 feet is less than 50 inch.
Thank you. طيب 19 عبد الله.
19.
Yes.
21 feet. 4 yards. 21 feet is less than 4 yards.
معقول. Each yard is 3 feet. Each yard is 3 feet. So we say what?
Oh. Feet and yards.
يعني we can write it on another way يا عبد الله. Here we have 4 yards. It means 4 times 3, 12 feet. So what do you think? 21 feet or 12 feet, which one is greater?
21 feet.
Okay, so 21 feet is greater than 4 yards. Here we have 9 yard is greater than 9 inches. 9 yard is greater than 9 inches, okay? And how do we know? Each yard equals, do you remember this table? Yani let's not just, look, here we have 1 yard equals 36 inches. So as you can see here, we have 9 yards or 9 inches. 9 yards is greater than 9 inches. And here we have 36 inches. It equals 3 feet. Look here. 1 yard equals 3 feet. So 1 yard equals 36 inches. Okay? Okay? So this is
Okay.
our lesson for today, and these are the answer key for your
Okay.
workbook. Okay, I hope you do the workbook and upload it to Google Classroom, and you can also find the video for today's class on Google Classroom. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
I will see you later, inshallah. Bye bye.